So a quick review video on the Rough Country electric steps. I've had them installed for about 4 months now, and it's been all winter time. It's been a pretty mild winter, but they have seen for sure snow and slop and a little bit of mud, down to about probably 20 below, and no issues with them at all. They work pretty good. So my only couple complaints about them is when I installed them, the wiring harness for the lights. So when you open the door, there's a light that illuminates the running boards. The male and female side are backwards in the harness. Not a huge deal. It just means when you open the passenger door, the driver lights come on, and when you open the driver door, the passenger lights come on. Not a deal breaker. I did call Rough Country, and because I ordered through them, they ended up sending me a whole new installation kit, so a brand new wiring harness, all 4 motors, basically everything minus the boards. All you gotta do is go underneath the truck, cut 2 wires, splice them the other way around. Not a big deal, and I'll probably get to it at some point. A pretty clean install, pretty simple. They are very fast. My only other complaint is that there's no delay. So when you open the door, now let's say I want to get to the back seat, shut the door, and they go up right away. There's no delay. So what I find myself doing is kind of shutting this door and then quickly walking to the front so I can kind of cheat the system. But not a huge deal. Pretty sturdy. They do have a little bit of deflection, but overall, like I said, pretty happy with them. I've had them in cold weather, muddy weather, snowy weather. So far, so good. And I think they make the truck look way better. Really cleans it up. So this is what the door open. You can see steps are. I would say they're pretty comparable to the height of the factory steps. Pretty comfortable to step up. Not super tall, so.